Hi, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin, and I'm really excited to be able to introduce the Coravin Sparkling system, which lets you pour your favorite sparkling wines by the glass and then come back to that bottle, and the last glass should be just as good as the first up to 2 weeks later. Let's show you what you get. The first thing you'll find on the inside is a box of 4 Coravin Pure capsules. Each capsule will charge up to 7 full bottles of wine. And then you've got a handy QR code that'll take you to our quick start guide, as well as useful videos on how to use the system. Inside the box is the Coravin Sparkling system. So, Coravin Sparkling, there's a quick start guide, as well as another QR code. The Coravin Sparkling system consists of the charger, as well as the universal stopper. The Coravin Sparkling Universal Stopper fits on all standard bottles, including magnums, so truly universal, fits on everything. So the first step in using the Coravin Sparkling system is to load the charger with one of the CO2 capsules. So first things first, take out the capsule, and then the way you load it is you lift up on the latch cover, squeeze the latch handles, pop up this little latch, push up on this release, and that'll pop open the capsule bay door. You'll also notice that there is a red indicator on the side. This indicator lets you know that you're out of gas. And so once we load it, it will turn green. And the way you load it is you simply drop the capsule into the capsule cup, close capsule bay, and then close the latch. Notice that the indicator turned green. Then slide down the latch cover. Now we're ready to go. This is ready to charge. So the Coravin Sparkling system works with an open bottle of sparkling. So simply open the bottle like you normally would, pour yourself a glass or 2 or 3 or whatever it is that you're serving. And I'll pour 2 glasses for myself and my friend. And now, when I want to preserve the remaining wine, first step is to put the Coravin stopper on top. It's important to make sure that if the bottle has foil, that the foil is below the level of this flange, so it doesn't interfere with the stopper. The stopper has a handle. Simply pop that all the way open. There's a little indicator that shows you what open really is, but you just want to make sure that it's up all the way. Place it on top of the bottle and then close the handle. I like to sometimes apply just a little bit of pressure to keep it on while I'm closing it. Now the bottle is closed, but it's not yet charged. And so we take the charger, place it on top, and press down. And you'll see the indicator go from red to green. When it goes green, that means that you know that the bottle is well charged and can be stored. So we've designed the stopper so that it fits into any standard wine fridge. So we made it this size so that it could fit all bottles, any different type of sparkling wine up to a magnum, but not interfere with the way that you normally want to store it. So you can store it upright or horizontally in the wine fridge, and the wine will last for up to 2 weeks. Now, when you want to pour the wine again, there's 2 ways of opening the stopper. The first is to simply release the latch, and that'll release the gas very quickly, like so. If you want to do it in a little bit more of a gentle way, then what you can do is simply tilt the stopper, and you'll hear the gas slowly release, like so. And then you can lift up on the handle again and take the stopper off. So that's the Coravin Sparkling system. Enjoy your wonderful sparkling wines by the glass, and cheers.